Hi there, it's Bob. So here's my ES 4400 AC with a long heavy train on it. This is a long train, but it's quite heavy. Those are die-cast cars back, those red ones back there. We're going to try and go from the bottom without too many hiccups, I hope, to up to the top, through the layout and up to the top. So I'm going to give it the go-ahead here. Pick up my remote and give it a go-ahead. Okay, off we go. Give it a little power. There we go. Put the remote down and hope nothing goes wrong. I put some grain train on the back, grain cars on the back, so we have a red end-of-line device. That's a MTH end-of-line device on the back of that. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how powerful that engine is. See if we can bring it all the way up to the top. Give her a little more power here. Speed, I guess. Now, those are heavy cars. All those are die cast. Those last two are really heavy. I think they weigh about 5 pounds apiece. Probably not, but sure it feels like it. So we're going to come up. We'll go the short way to Rana. That's a quote from a DVD. That was close. That was close. Here we come up the top. I had some issues with the track last week and this morning. We'll see if it makes it. So far, not even a hint of trouble on that engine. Just pulled those cars up that grade like they were nothing. There's that back car. It always seems to do that. I don't know what it is. The switch here. So it made it. That's pretty good. I'm tempted to put the rest of the grain cars on that train and on that, see how good it can do. Anyway, I'm happy with that little bit of a run. Getting close to Christmas too, so I'm gonna take a few videos. The next week I'm off from work, so the only way to get a train like this back down and start up again, either to reverse the engine but with that MTH end-of-line device on there, disconnecting the engine from the front of the train and running it around the back, I have to remove the car because that end-of-line device on the back of that MTH setup doesn't allow for a coupler connection. So you can see, it looks like it, but you can't couple up to it. Anyway, I hope you guys like that part. I'm gonna maybe add the rest of the grain cars to that train and see what it'll do. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching. Subscribe, comment, see what you say. Thanks very much. Bye now.